Okay students, today we'll start from the chapter light. In the light, firstly we study the basics, then after we will study the mirrors, and after that we will study lens, and in the last we will start instruments. So let us start from the basics. So what is light? Light की अगर definition लेना चाहें तो light is defined as it is the energy which provide the sensation of विजन. यानी कि लाइट एक वो एनर्जी होती है जो हमें किसी भी चीज को देखने की एक सेंस प्रोवाइड करती है. यानी लाइट के थ्रू ही हम किसी चीज को देख पाते हैं. लेट अस सपोज इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन ए रूम, देन वी आर वाचिंग द टेबल, द चेयर. हाउ it is possible? Just only by light, because there is a energy which provide the sensation to look the chair and the tables. Okay, now let us start the basics of light. Firstly, we will study the reflection. The first topic of our study is reflection. So reflection is defined as the bouncing back of the light when it falls on a surface or a reflecting surface. That is known as reflection. Means the reflecting या फिर कहीं the bounce back of the light energy when fall on a सरफेस. जब भी लाइट किसी एक सरफेस पे गिरती है तो वहां से जब वो लाइट बाउंस बैक हो जाए, मींस उसकी जो एनर्जी हो बाउंस बैक हो जाए, तो उस टाइम पे हम उसको कहते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन हो गया है वहां पे. लेट अस सपोज कि ये हमारे पास कोई एक सरफेस है, एक सरफेस हमने यहाँ पे डिफाइन किया है और हमने ये माना कि एक लाइट है, द रे ऑफ लाइट विच इंसिडेंट ऑन दिस इन दिस वे on this surface, the straight line in this direction, and after falling on this surface or say this reflecting surface, the ray will bounce back in this direction. Then this procedure and this phenomena is known as reflection. Here we have to define the normal. Normal is also a straight line, not this one, this one. Okay, this is known as the reflection. So the ray, the basic terms we have to use here. Firstly, we have to use the first term, that is incident. We have to define this term, incident ray. The ray of the light which comes from the object, यानी कि ये वो रे होती है comes from object and fall on the surface making some angle with normal. Then this is known as incident ray. यानी हम यहाँ पे कहें then this ray which comes from the object, यहाँ पे कोई object रखा है in this way, then after the object reflects some rays and the rays from this object come this way and fall on the surface, and after this it makes some angle with the normal. This is the normal of the surface and this angle is known as I. Let us suppose. Now the second term we use here is reflection. Second one is refracting ray. यानी कि अब हमें डिफाइन करना है कि रिफ्लेक्टिंग रे क्या होती है. रिफ्लेक्टिंग रे को अगर हम यहां पे डिफाइन करना चाहें, द रे विच बाउंस बैक आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन फ्रॉम द सरफेस, यानी कि जिस सरफेस से वो टकराई है वहां से जो उसका बाउंसिंग बैक होता है, दैट रे इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्टिंग रे। यानी यहाँ पे हम ये रे जो डिफाइन कर रहे हैं, दिस इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग रे, यानी रिफ्लेक्टिंग रे आर आर, एंड दिस इज नोन एज इंसिडेंट रे आई आर। ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू डिफाइन द थर्ड टर्म, दैट इज नॉर्मल। व्हाट इज नॉर्मल? थर्ड इज नॉर्मल ray, the perpendicular to the given surface, perpendicular to the given surface is known as normal। मीन्स यहां पे हम ये डिफाइन करें, दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर टू द surface, this is the reflecting surface and this is the perpendicular to this surface, means this is the normal, this is normal। जहां पे डिफाइन कर रहे हैं, दिस इज नोन एज नॉर्मल रे। ओके, नाउ वी डिफाइन द सेकेंड टर्मिनोलॉजी, दैट इज एंगल टर्मिनोलॉजी। फर्स्टली वी डिफाइन व्हाट इज इंसिडेंट एंगल। फर्स्ट इज नोन एज इंसिडेंट एंगल। ओके, let us suppose this is the surface, this is the surface, say reflecting surface, which is denoted by like these arrows। okay, and this is the normal to this surface, which make 90 degree। now a ray is incident on this surface at some angle, and this angle which the incident ray make with the normal, this one is known as incident angle, यानी एंगल बिटवीन इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल, एंगल बिटवीन इंसिडेंट रे एंड नॉर्मल is known as incident angle। now the second term is, that is reflecting angle। what is reflecting angle? So reflecting angle will be given like this. Let us suppose this is the reflecting surface and this is the normal of this surface, which make 90 degree with this surface। now a ray is incident in this way and after incidencing it will bounce back in this direction, means the angle made by the reflected ray, this is reflected ray and this is incident ray and this is normal, the angle between normal ray and the reflecting ray is known as reflecting angle। मीन हम कहें कि एंगल बिटवीन किस किस के बीच में, एंगल एक नॉर्मल के बीच में एंड रिफ्लेक्टिंग रे के बीच में, इन दोनों रेज के बीच में जो एंगल बनता है, दैट इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्टिंग एंगल। ओके, these are the basic terminology we will study throughout our chapter। this is first and second। now the third terminology which we will use is what? that is glance angles। glance angle, glance angle होते क्या है देखते हैं अभी उनको। देखो, let us suppose this is the reflecting surface and this is the normal, this is the incident ray, this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray। now the angle between the incident ray and the surface, here the reflecting ray and the surface is known as glance angle, that is denoted by G। here is also denoted by G, means the angle between reflected ray or incident ray and और किस किस के बीच में, that is surface, या फिर कहें that is reflecting surface। this is the reflecting surface। now let us study कि from these all things now we will start the laws of reflection। okay, now laws of reflection, the next topic is laws of reflection. What is the first law? According to first law, the incident ray, that is denoted by IR, the reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. अब ये कैसे देखो, लेट अस सपोज कि ये अपने पास एक रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस है, दिस इज गिवन बाय दिस वे एंड दिस इज द नॉर्मल. नाउ a ray is incident in this and let us suppose this is plane 1 and this is plane 2, यानी कि ये मीडियम एक है, ये दूसरा मीडियम है, यानी सेम प्लेन में सेम मीडियम. ओके, नाउ ए रे इज इंसिडेंट on this in this direction and after incidencing it will reflect back in this direction. Means the incident ray, that one, the reflected ray, this one, and the normal ray, this one, all lie in the same planes. Means same medium में lie कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं. जो incident ray है वो normal और reflected ray will always lie in the same plane. This is the first law of the reflection which we will use throughout our study. The second law. According to second law, the angle of incidence will be equal to, not will, always equal to angle of reflection. मीन्स जो एंगल इंसिडेंस होगा वो हमेशा इक्वल होगा रिफ्लेक्शन के, या फिर हम कहें जो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन और एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हमेशा इक्वल ही होंगे. दिस वन, लेट अस सपोज दिस इज इंसिडेंट रे and making the angle I, that is incident angle. Now after the reflection the ray will go in this way, and making the angle R. From here, from the statements, the angle I will be equal to angle R, यानी कि जो एंगल I है वो हमेशा इक्वल होगा एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन के. दिस इज द सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्शन. Now the third point, very important, very most important topic point is this one. What is this? According to this, whenever a ray fall normally to the surface will retrace same path after reflection. यानी कि कोई भी रे अगर नॉर्मली किसी रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस के ऊपर गिरती है तो वो हमेशा अपने उसी पाथ को फॉलो करेगी जिस पाथ से वो आई है. जैसे ये अपने पास एक रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस है. ओके, दिस इज द नॉर्मल विच मेक्स 90 डिग्री एंगल विद दिस रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस. लेट अस सपोज कि एक रे इस डायरेक्शन में आ रही है, मीन्स जिस डायरेक्शन में नॉर्मल है ये हमने नॉर्मल माना हुआ है, दैट इज नॉर्मल. द रे इज इंसिडेंस इन दिस डायरेक्शन. सो व्हाट इज द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस? हियर द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज 0 डिग्री. व्हाई? बिकॉज द नॉर्मल रे एंड incident ray are the same things. Means we angle of incidence we consider in between angle normal ray and incident ray, but here the incident ray is self as normal, means the angle of I is 0. Then from second law the angle of reflection will be 0. Rule is this. So the ray will be retraced this path, means after reflection the ray will retrace which path? The ray will retrace same path, means उसी पाथ में वापस चली जाएगी. These are the laws of reflection. Now we study the two type of the reflection. First one, that is types of रिफ्लेक्शन। रिफ्लेक्शन दो तरह का होता है। फर्स्ट वन इज रेगुलर, दैट इज रेगुलर reflection, and another one is irregular reflection. Now let us study both one by one. Let us suppose कि अपने पास एक स्मूथ सरफेस है और इसके ऊपर बहुत सारी रेज इंसिडेंट हो रही है। फर्स्ट वन, सेकेंड वन, थर्ड वन। All these three rays are parallel to each other. Now at the incidence point we have to define the normal, and normal is always perpendicular to the surface, means at this point the normal will be given in this direction, at this point the normal will be given in this direction, and at this point the normal is given in this direction. So whenever the ray incidents at this point, then after reflection it will retrace which path? It will retrace this path, and this will this path, and this will this path. Means after reflection the incident ray remain parallel and the reflecting ray will always remain parallel in the regular reflection. Means यहाँ पे जो इंसिडेंट रे आई थी वो जब इसके ऊपर में गिरी, सरफेस के ऊपर गिरती हैं और वहां से रिफ्लेक्ट बैक होके जाती हैं, तो वो रिमेन्स पैरेलल रहती हैं, यानी कि पैरेलल ही रहती हैं। तो उस टाइम पे हम कहते हैं कि वो एक रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन है, एंड दिस इज done only on the smooth surface. Now let us move toward this point, irregular reflection. Let us suppose all the surfaces are not smooth. Let us suppose this is our reflecting surface. Now the rays of light, suppose the rays of light incident on the surface like this. Okay, now we have to define the normal at these points. Now the normal at this point is the direction, at this point is in this direction, and at this point is this direction. Then after reflection the rays will go like this, the rays will go in this direction, this will go in this direction, and this will go in this direction. Means whenever the ray come parallel, but after reflection they will still not remain parallel, then this type of the reflection is known as irregular reflection. This is the basic difference between regular and irregular reflection. In the next class we will study reflection in the mirror, then we will study concave mirror, and after that we will study convex mirror. Thank you.